This is the little fogger from my other video. I just thought I would come back with no flash on to show you again. It builds up so quickly. I'm going to blow on it. So cool. So it's just that little bottom piece down there and the see-through plastic, I'll call it like a halo, to keep, what this halo does is stop the water from spraying up. If you want it to fountain up, you can take this top lid off and it will still do the fog, but it will spray up a stream like a fountain. It builds up really fast. So there's like so many things you could do with this for parties, for your pond, for your fish tank, for your turtle, for your frogs. I mean, it's going to be entertaining you, but my turtle used to love to be like get sprayed on by I used to have this little water thing that it was like a pipe with holes in it and the water came out. He used to love that. So I can imagine that my turtle would love this. I'm just blowing it so you could see how quick it replenishes itself. Alright, I will put the link down below for you to check it out. Thanks for watching.